is a platform for women to show that we are not just pretty faces. And when you find that better version of yourself inside you, it gives you that spark to do better things in life. So it's really exciting to be here to visit Sri Lanka one more time. Yeah, I've been married for actually day before yesterday I celebrated my 7th wedding anniversary.
මිසිස් වර්ල් ඉන්ඩියා සර්ගම් කෞශාල් දිවයිනට පැමිණියා විශේෂයෙන්ම මිසිස් ශ්‍රී ලංකා වර්ල් 2024 ග්‍රෑන්ඩ් ෆිනාලයකට. So she is here with me. So Ayubowan, good evening and namaste.
Abuwan. Wow, I'm loving it already over here. The vibe is so good and you're so beautiful.
Thank you. And you're so gorgeous and so beautiful. It was so honor and it was so nice to have your presence for Mrs. Sri Lanka World 2024. So how are you feeling?
I'm feeling really excited already. It's not my first time in Sri Lanka. It's my second time that I've been invited for Mrs. Sri Lanka World. And this time it is even more special because I've already made so many friends over here like Chandimal, Rukmal and everybody else on the team. So it's really exciting to be here to visit Sri Lanka one more time. This time maybe with a new perspective. And I'm really excited for the show because I know there are some gorgeous, intelligent, amazing women, right? They're all so gorgeous. I saw them and I was like, oh my God, how it is going to be very difficult for us to pick this year.
Okay, but you have to pick one particular beautiful lady for representing Sri Lanka especially. So anyway, even though if you're here for like many times, we will love to warmly welcome you to Sri Lanka as always.
Always coming here again.
So, okay, when it's come to pageant, so I know you have like remarkable journey through Mrs. World. So tell us about it.
Oh, it's been 2 years now and I'm still, wearing this sash. It just never gets old. Every day when I wear this sash, it is, it's like the first time. And now that, as I said, it's been 2 years since I've been traveling around the world, going to different pageants and choosing the winners. It feels so good, that I've been anointed to do that. I've been given this opportunity and this responsibility because it's not a small responsibility. You are taking forward the name not just of the brand but of you, the values that you hold, and everything that your country represents or you represent. It is very important that you take that name forward and take it forward very positively. And so yes, it's been a very humbling experience. It's been a very I've been bestowed with so many generosities from all across the world that I just feel so humbled and thankful that Mrs. World gave me this opportunity to represent them.
Okay, so are you sure you Mrs.? I feel like I'm talking to a miss.
Yeah, I've been married for actually day before yesterday I celebrated my 7th wedding anniversary. So yeah, I'm old.
Belated wishes. Happy anniversary.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, so now it's come to a pageant. What do you think about Mrs. World? Why you think for a woman a pageant like Mrs. World so important? And can you tell us key points that why a married woman should participate a pageant like Mrs. World? What as a woman you get out of it, I know it's opportunities and all of that, but out of it, why you should participate?
I think at the end of the day, everybody, I don't know if people like to admit to it, but I feel at the end of the day, we all want validation.
Okay.
We thrive on it. Everybody thrives on it. If somebody tells you you look beautiful, you will smile throughout the day. If somebody calls you intelligent, you will be feeling, oh yes, my education paid off.
Okay.
So that's exactly what it is. Mrs. World is a platform which gives you, and similarly, Mrs. Sri Lanka World, as a branch to it, gives these opportunities to women who come from various parts of life. They could be doctors, engineers, they could be businesswomen, they could be homemakers, they could be teachers like me, and then they all come on this one platform and participate and compete against each other, and not just against each other. It is a competition with yourself to be a better version of yourself. And when you find that better version of yourself inside you, it gives you that spark to do better things in life. it could be in your same fields. I mean, as a teacher, I've seen, I've seen businesswomen who've participated in the pageant and then boosted their businesses. Doctors who've got so popular after participating in Mrs. World that now they've got so many patients to take care of. So I think it kind of gives that boost, and it is a platform for women to show that we are not just pretty faces, because it may look like, we wear makeup, we wear good dresses, so we may look like just pretty faces, but we are not that. We're much more than that. And this platform gives us that opportunity to show people that we have brains as much as any other man in the world, and we can be CEOs, and we can do that in heels.
Great. So once again, we would so happily welcome you, and it was so good to have your presence for Mr. Sri Lanka World 2024. I'm sure you're going to have a tough decision to make, because there are like so beautiful misses. So we will see you at the grand finale.
Yes, I'm so excited to see you at the grand finale.
Thank you, Sargam. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.